Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with a video just talking about the Kroger BOGO deals. Now, if you're looking for couponing deals, I did a whole separate video that is like 18 minutes long, just filled with so many awesome deals. Like, all of them are really, really cheap. So if you click the little eye in the top right corner or wait to the end screen of this video, you will see a video with all sorts of coupon matchup deals. So if that's what you're looking for, check that out. But I would also recommend sticking around for this video because there are tons and tons and tons of buy one, get one free deals. Now, a lot of them don't require coupons. It's just a simple half off, which is really, really awesome. So I would go ahead and watch both these videos if you're interested because there are some really great deals at Kroger with these BOGOs and coupon matchups and all sorts of stuff. But in this video, I won't be doing any coupon matchups. I'm just telling you what's included in the BOGO sale. So there are one of two ways BOGOs will work at your Kroger. You're either in a true BOGO store or a non-BOGO store. In a true BOGO store, the first item is going to ring up at full price, and the second item rings up at zero. The computer will not allow a coupon to attach to the item that rings up at zero. So that is important to know. Now, there are many, many people who are in a non-BOGO store, which is just where both items ring up at 50% off. So you only have to buy one of them, and you can use a coupon on, if you do get two, you can use a coupon on both items. So the way you can find this out is by doing a price check. I actually did a price check in the app. Make sure to have your preferred store set up. So at my store, like I typed in Ore-Ida, the Ore-Ida fries. It said buy one, get one free. I actually changed it to another store in a different state, and it said $1.49, which is half price. So the app is really smart and will tell you how it's going to ring up in your store. So check that and be prepared. So yeah, let's just dive right into these BOGO deals. So the Oscar Mayer hot dogs select varieties, buy one, get one free, and they are $2.99 each. So that makes them $1.49 in the end. And the Oddwalla products are buy one, get one free at $2.99. And there was a coupon. I totally forgot to mention that coupon in my couponing deals video. There is a printable I'll have in my coupon deals video in the description box below. So there's that. And then we have this hummus. It is $5.99 and it's buy one, get one for free. It wasn't marked, but it was in the ad. The pretzel crisps are buy one, get one free at $3.99. This wasn't marked either, but the private selection cheese is $4.49, buy one, get one free. Honeysuckle turkey tenderloins are $9.99 and they are buy one, get one free. Smithfield pork tenderloins, they are $7.99 and they are buy one, get one free. The Kroger brand, these are the marinated pork tenderloins. They are $6.99 and they are buy one, get one free. I actually had a home mailer coupon come for that, so keep that in mind. But $6.99 and buy one, get one free. We also have the Kroger Roast. They are buy one, get one free. The Curly's pulled pork is $4.79 and it is buy one, get one free. The Prime Fresh lunch meat, it is $3 and it is buy one, get one free. And I did mention in my coupon deals video a really good deal on this, so go check that out for sure. Sandra's stuffed chicken, they are $4.99 and they are buy one, get one free. Thomas swirl bread is $3.99 and it is buy one, get one free. Famous Amos cookies are $3.79 and they are buy one, get one free. The Keebler Deluxe cookies are $3.99 and they are buy one, get one free. These chocolate bars, I'm sorry, I can't read the brand, but they're $2.99, buy one, get one free. And this is over in like the gourmet. It's just in the candy aisle. That's where I found it. So those are buy one, get one free at $2.99. And then these extreme bites are $4.49 and they are buy one, get one free. The Townhouse crackers are $3.99 and they are buy one, get one free. The Club crackers are $3.99 and they are buy one, get one free. Fage Total yogurt is $1.29. It is buy one, get one free. Fage Crossovers yogurt is $1.29. They are buy one, get one free. All the Pillsbury products, some of them are $1.99, but they are all buy one, get one free. I posted a really sweet deal on these Hawaiian ones in my deals video. So again, check that out if you want to get these for like 31 cents each. Really crazy. We have the Mission Organic Chips, $3.49, and they are on a buy one, get one free. Regular Mission Chips, they're $2.99, and they are buy one, get one free. Pepsi, and it also includes Dr. Pepper. It's $4.99, buy one, get one free. 7-Up brands, and like A&W, Sunkist, anything made by 7-Up. Those are also $4.99, and they're buy one, get one free. I forgot to get a picture of this, but the brownberry bread, it is buy one, get one free at $3.99. Welch's juice is buy one, get one free at $4.69, and I talked about this in my deals video. You can get a pretty good deal on this after a coupon. Honest Juice pouches, the 8-count, they are $3.99 or no, $3.59, something like that. Buy one, get one free. For some reason, the juice boxes are more, but they are $4.49, buy one, get one free. The Kellogg cereal is $2.99, buy one, get one free. It includes lots of kinds, Frosted Flakes, Fruit Loops. Actually, those might have been the only 2 kinds. I know the chocolate Frosted Flakes were also included, but $2.99, buy one, get one free, and there's a great deal on those. In my coupon deals video, I broke that down. Rockstar energy drinks, they're buy one, get one free. They actually range from price to $1.99 to $2.19, so there you go for that. Kroger brand K-Cups are $4.49, and they are buy one, get one free, so that's like $2.24. Kroger brand, these are the bakery, just the cookies. They are buy one, get one free for these. That's a great price. I found this interesting, the Gorilla Tape. Only the tape, not the Gorilla Glue. They're all buy one, get one free. There's even one that's $2.99 that's buy one, get one free. So you get a really good deal. This is something that never goes on sale. So if you like Gorilla Glue, you definitely ought to, not Gorilla Glue, it's Gorilla Tape. You ought to go out there and really stock up on this. Technically, this isn't BOGO, but it is pretty much. It's 50% off. So I thought I'd throw it in there. These wax warmers, they're $1 and they're regularly $2. So there you go. Buy one, get one free. Awesome deal. But you don't have to buy 2 to get the $1 price. And then the Bounce dryer sheets, they're buy one, get one free. The 40 count only. Kroger Cosmetics wipes, they're $2.19, buy one, get one free. These ice cream is buy one, get one free. So many vitamins. We have Nature's Bounty Optimal Solutions, buy one, get one free. We have Nature Made vitamins at buy one, get one free. We have the Kroger brand vitamins at buy one, get one free. We have Nature's Bounty, just the regular ones, buy one, get one free. And we also have Sundown vitamins, buy one, get one. We always have coupons for those. And then the Comforts Electrolyte Solutions or whatever, these are $3.59, buy one, get one free. TGI Fridays appetizers, they are buy one, get one free at $5.69. Screamin' Sicilian pizzas are $9.79, which is absolutely ridiculous. I think some of them are $8.99, still insane, but they're buy one, get one for free. The Simple Truth Low Cow ice cream is $3.99, and it's buy one, get one free. We also have the Ore-Ida French fries or potato items, $2.99, and they are buy one, get one free. Yeah, that is all the deals, all the BOGO deals I have for now. There are so many other couponing deals. Like I said, I did a whole separate video on them. Check it out right here. Click on the video right here. It's called Epic Kroger Couponing Deals. If you haven't seen the ad preview, check that out, and be sure to check back through the week for more videos. So, yeah, thanks for watching.